Greetings from Saigon, Vietnam. I'm at District 1, Pham Ngu Lao area. Let's explore this place. It's full of like shops, like tour agencies, restaurants, spas. There are hotels here, money changer, travel agency. You can go to other places in Vietnam, and there's a cute little dog, by the way. So you see there are tour booking as well as visa services. You can go to inbound tour, private tour, train boat package. You can go to Hanoi also, Halong Bay, Sabah, the Hue, Mui Ne, Dalat, Nha Trang, Hoi An, and beside the shop there's a spa and nail. You can do manicure 50,000, shampoo, foot massage, body massage, Thai massage, even a hot stone for just 300,000 around there for 1 hour. That's in minutes. There's a Saigon City hotel here. Then at this street there are a lot of street food. At this alley there are restaurants and some pubs, I think, and hotels. Mostly are foreigners. The prices are not really cheap. I think it's about 120,000 for one meal. Let's check out the price. Oh, it's actually cheaper, 75,000. And there are massage shop here. And there's a temple at the end.
I haven't fully decided.
It's an Indian restaurant. Oh, this is a beautiful kind of hot pot shop, I think. Now I've stayed in this hotel before. It's called Kim Koi. The room is about 350,000 to 500,000 one night. And by the way, you can rent motorbikes here. You can buy coconut water. You can even go to Cambodia. But then be aware of the motorbike scam, because they may just charge you a lot of money by saying or claiming the motorbike is damaged after you return. So always choose a good shop. But how to choose a good shop? You have to look at the reviews online and also like check it out for yourself. This one is hard to tell. And we're walking forward, reach the Liberty Hotel. I think it's a 3 or 4 star hotel. There's their own cafe outside. I think of course it includes the breakfast, and there's a buffet here. 150,000 from 6:30 AM to 10 AM. There's egg omelette and so on. There's a menu of the food. 55,000, I think is quite reasonable for the fried rice and other stuff. You can see the delicious banh mi on the right side. This is something special in Vietnam. The banh mi is really like delicious after you add in other things, other food like the BBQ meat, the egg, and so on. Then you can see the crazy traffic. 24 hours, Saigon is always busy from morning to night, night to morning. And then this street will lead to the Vivian Walking Street, which I'll explore in a short while later. This is the daytime. But from there you can walk to the Vivian Walking Street, just about 100 meters. And right here the Eddie Boo. Now there is a restaurant here for the pho noodles, and also a sand spa. You can do your daily massage and stuff. And right here for 7-Eleven, and also the Pham Ngu travel agency is very famous. You can go to anywhere in Vietnam. There's the Ben Che and the Cà Mau. And there's a big hotel here, Saigon Kiko. I think it's 4-star hotel, judging by the look of it. Tour booking, Mekong Delta, Vũng Tàu Beach, water puppet show. There's even, you can go to the Cambodia, the Phnom Penh capital of Cambodia, Phnom Penh. You can go to Siem Reap. You can do your visa extension right here. You can go to Cu Chi by the boat. Mekong Delta 2 day 1 night. Mekong Delta plus Cu Chi 1 day luxury, or go to Phu Quoc by speedboat, or go to Cambodia by speedboat from the Mekong Delta. And you know there's a mangrove and monkey island called the Ganze. It's actually quite interesting. And right here another tour company called Phu An. Now if you have problem booking your air ticket, you can come here, all of these places, and buy the flight ticket. The staff will actually charge you more. I mean, they charge a commission about, it's quite high. I think about 1 million Vietnam dong, about $50 US. But if you want the flight ticket urgently, then you can come here and buy ticket, because sometimes the website of the plane company has problem, and when you pay by the credit card or Master or Visa card, you encounter problem. I encountered this happened to me before, and then what happened is I came to one of these agencies and then booked my ticket. And right here the Burger King. If you guys are into Western food and don't really like the Vietnamese food, you can come here. Now the interesting fact about one of these tour agencies is they give you some free water and sitting area, and then you wait for the bus here. Really taken care of. But if I'm on you, I'll just try to go for the day bus because it's safer. Night bus, sometimes the drivers are drunk and get to accident by speeding. And right here another hotel, Elias. If you see buffet breakfast, it's more or less a 3-star hotel. But this you have to pay 215,000 dong. And there's a spa as well. Now the banh mi, and the price is 30,000 dong. For the grilled pork, if you add an egg omelette, is 40,000. Now we reached the Liberty Hotel. It's definitely a 4-star hotel. And there's a coffee beside for waiting. The cool thing about staying in the hotel along Pham Ngu Lao area is you can easily book a Grab car, because this is along the main street and the tourist area, so the driver can find the place easily, and you can actually come here and book the Grab, the Grab car or something, or taxi. And burning the offerings is something common in Vietnam because it's a traditional country. Now 7-Eleven seems to have the new branches in this 1 or 2 years. It's really expanding. But I prefer Circle K. It's more traditional and they sell more of the Vietnamese snacks. Next we have the Han Cafe. I think it's a tour agency. It's not a cafe. This is not the tourist bus. There's an ATM here called the TP Bank. But guess what? I came here like 2 times and no more money to withdrawal because it was like evening time, so come in the morning. Be careful of scams in Pham Ngu Lao and other tourist areas, because you may be Grab drivers who pretend to be the Grab riders, but they just run their own business. They buy the Grab uniform and then they tell you they are from Grab and they charge you high prices. Same for unlicensed taxis. They'll ask you where you go and then they'll charge you a very high fee. The meter is not on. Even the meter is on, it's rigged. It's not a true meter, and then you pay like 500,000 dong from District 1 to the Tanzania International Airport. And by the way, there are more tour agencies right now. Ngoc Giang, and then another one. They say Saigon to Nha Giang, maybe that's a specialty. I can smell the banh mi, the BBQ smell from 10 meters away. Including some BBQ here. And there's another Western fast food restaurant called the McDonald's. In Vietnam, you can see all these motorbikes parked outside. It's very common. The motorbikes are from of the customers or from the staff, because most of the Vietnamese here, they travel by motorbike. It's a cheap way and a budget way to travel. And now we have the Palago Hotel. I stayed here before. It's quite budget. There's a Sun SM car. It's similar to a Grab, but sometimes the price can be cheaper, and it's newer car because it runs on diesel. I've used some of these tour companies to go to Cambodia during my visa run, so it's a good experience, but I will not do it anymore because because it takes a fun out of traveling. I'd rather travel to other countries like Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, China, Taiwan, where I can like enjoy myself and just pay a little more. Because in ASEAN countries, the flight tickets are not really too expensive if you book early. If you book late, then it can be a bit pricier. But if you go to Cambodia from here, you need to pay like 1 million or 1.5 million dong to fetch you from here, Saigon, to the border and from the border back. And then you need to spend about 6 to 8 hours because lots of time traveling to the border, and then you need to wait the custom. It's really tired. After you come back, it's around about 4 p.m. if you start from AM. And right here with the pho noodles. It's a popular pho noodles. And this way lead to the Vivian Walking Street. There's a second level as well, but if the view, good view is here at the first level. Opposite we have the Pham Ngu City, which is kind of pharmacy. It's 24 hours, so come here if you need some Panadol or something, some cream. And this way you lead to the Vivian Walking Street. There's a restaurant, the Pho Win is really like colorful with all the lights. So there is it, the Pham Ngu Lao, the route, and we are not finished yet. There's still a little bit more. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far and give a like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. Later in the show I'll be exploring the Vivian Walking Street, so stay tuned for my channel and the videos. Now this area seems a bit isolated already, but most of motorbikes. That way in front, you lead to Gong Win. There is a Kuma over there and some restaurants. So I guess the tour is more or less done. There's an ATM called PPCom. You know that there's a fee charged by your bank if you withdraw the money in Nam Dong in Vietnam. The fee can be quite high according to your bank. It's like you charge per withdrawal, and then there's another fee also. Sometimes the issuing bank also charge you, so you get double charges. One from the bank in Vietnam and the other one from the bank in your home country. And then there's another charge for the withdrawing of the fee from your home country, total of 3 fees. So if I were you, I would just go to this bank called TP Bank, T for Thailand and P for Philippines. TP Bank, they offer the free saving account bank. They get ATM card. I'm currently using it. It's purple color. And then, but every month there'll be some fee like 40,000 dong for SMS service or something. If you do not want any fee, then you just opt out of the SMS service. It's not compulsory. And then they have a lot of branches in Saigon. They even have the e-banking where you can speak to the staff. If any problems, they video call. Now there's a bus station directly opposite where I'm standing. It goes to other parts of Saigon like District 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Cô Bắc, Thu Đức, Binh Thanh area, Binh Chánh, and I think even go to Cuchi. But they operate in the daytime. The bus in Saigon, they close at about 8 p.m. So just go for the early bus, morning or afternoon. And then the price about 5,000 to 7,000 Vietnamese dong, depending on the type of bus. Is it going very far distance? Then the fare can be more expensive. And this is some kind of logo. From here, I'm going to walk to the Vivian Walking Street just ahead and then turn right.